Alright, so it might be hard to see. Well, actually, it's not too bad. But I got a chip on the windshield, actually a little crack. So I'm going to try to fix it with this windshield repair kit. You can see if it's going to be a bad idea, a good idea, or whatever idea. So it says 20-minute repair. Let's see if it's true. We'll be right back. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this product up. See what's inside. It says keep out of reach of children. It's got acid. So definitely you should wear goggles because you don't want the stuff in your eyeball. It'd be a bad idea. Bunch of chemicals. 2 black containers, 2 white containers, razor blade. Little, I think these so you could fill it, put it on top, and you could fill it on top so it won't spill. This syringe type of thing, and then this little dispenser, I guess you call it. Do is mount seal to windshield, peel back on one side, line up hole. Okay, remove backing. So this is the backing. There's the front and back. Oh, you can see it better now. It's a crack. You see that? You can see the crack now. A lot easier. What I want to do is I'm actually going to get this. Okay, now it says remove backing from seal, the top part. Mount the pedestal and make sure the tabs match up. Okay. Okay. Alright, be careful with the stuff. It actually poured out. So, 1, how are you supposed to see the drops? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, it locks in there. Come back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I did the 10 minutes. And now it says take out the vacuum lock plunger and put it to max. I'm going to fill it up with air. So I'm going to push it back in. And then let it sit for 20 minutes. So. There we go. Alright, I'm pretty sure I messed it up or whatever. So I'll be back in 20 minutes. Alrighty, now take out the little needle dude. And I gotta get that corner so we get this off. The razor blade or whatever. Watch your fingers. Nice. I messed up that, but it's okay. Nice. So that's what I want to do. It's basically get that resin in there where it's sticky. Any bubbles that's in there. Okay, so I'll be back 15 minutes or so and we'll see how much better it is. It looks better so far and I did a crappy job. All right, here is the final product. I didn't do a great job following the instructions perfectly, so if I did this pretty decently, anybody can do it. This is basically foolproof. It's probably one of my not so great DIYs, but I think it's great to show that you don't have to be the professional to do this for this. So it's been out for about 20 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Oops. And I think it's still drying. Let's see. Oh, it's dried. Okay, so it's hard to see, but right there, it's this little. I probably could put another layer of resin in there. Probably missed it, but that's still pretty good, I'd say, especially from where it was. Let me see if I can get closer, because it's really hard to see. So you can see, if you look right there, and I'll put in the shade. So let's try to get that focus. There we go. You see that right there by my thumb? 3 little dots. 1, 2, 3, and I think that's pretty good from what it was. My problem, I think what it was, it's smooth. If I didn't pick it. I didn't find that pick I was looking for, because it said to pick it, because it's definitely smooth. See, you see the shade. Let me take a shot there. So it's definitely smooth. So it's not touching a little bit. Actually, it's rubbing a little bit. I probably can try to put another coat in there and then get that little notch. I feel a little notchy right there. Right, so that little couple spots kind of annoyed me, so I'm just curious if that took care of it. I think I took care of it this time. I don't see it being the razor blade now. Still there. Oh, it's still better. It's hard to see. See it right there? Almost ready. So yeah, it's still better than what it was. I'll take it. So, but I think that's still pretty good. So I picked this up from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below and also the pinned comments. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Peace out.